Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick, simple and easy cold salad or side dish that you can prepare. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single upload from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So today's main ingredient is Bulgar wheat, and I'm going to be preparing it according to the packaging instruction, with the exception that I'm going to be adding 1 chicken stock cube in mine. So I'm just going to allow my chicken stock to dissolve. You can also add fish stock or vegetable stock, whichever one you want to add. You could also just cook it in just plain water. Once that has fully dissolved and the water is warm enough, I will then add my bulgur wheat. I'll give that a quick mix and then I'll just allow that to cook down. So I'm going to allow that to cook down for about 10 minutes with the lid on. While that is cooking, I'm just going to show you the vegetables you need to prepare. So it would be your bell peppers, your red onion, as well as your baby marrow. You'll also need to prepare your chickpeas. I just air fried mine in the air fryer. You can also just grill yours in a grill in the oven. So once the bulgur wheat has been cooking for 10 minutes and the water has reduced, I prefer to just remove mine from the heat. This is what it's looking like. It can still puff up a little bit more than this, but I just generally like allowing it to do so on the side of the stove. So I'm just going to place that on the side, and then I'm going to prepare the vegetables. So for the vegetables, we'll start off with our bell peppers. We'll start off by sauteing our bell peppers until they're nice and soft, and we're going to season those with a little bit of salt. Then we're going to go on ahead and add our baby marrow. I'm going to do the same thing. I'll saute it until it's nice and soft. Then I'm going to season it up with a little bit of curry powder, and then for a little bit of a spicy kick, which is optional, I'm adding some chili flakes. I'll give that a quick mix as well. Then I'm going to go on ahead and add the red onion. So the reason why I'm adding the red onion last is I don't actually want it to cook through. I'm just going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and this is what it will be looking like. Then I'm going to be adding my garlic flakes. I prefer to add them at this point. Even if you have fresh garlic, you can add it at this point just so that it doesn't burn in the cooking process. Now it's time to assemble. Before you assemble, please make sure that your bulgur wheat has cooled down completely. Then you're going to add your vegetables that you've also just prepared. You'll also add your chickpeas. Then we're going to be using some feta. You can use plain feta, but I strongly recommend a feta that has some kind of flavoring, be it herbs. The one I'm using is got some sun-dried tomato and basil. Then I added some lemon juice, and then I'm also going to be adding a little bit of oil. And lastly, I'll top it off with some chopped coriander. You're going to give that a quick mix just so that everything is nice and evenly distributed. So what I love about this salad, it's good for meal prepping. You can use it as a starch alternative, and it's best served cold, so you can definitely eat it throughout the week. Let me know what you think and enjoy this recipe if you do try it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.